In this section, we will study about blood vessels. Blood vessels are the tubular structure in which the blood flows. Three types of tubular structures are found in our body: arteries, veins and capillaries. The sequence of blood flow in human heart and body includes arteries, then arterioles. Arterioles are the fine branches of arteries. Then from arterioles, the blood moves to capillaries, then to venules, which are fine branches of veins, and then bigger veins. Arteries and veins both are three-layered wall. Outermost tunica externa, middle tunica media, and the innermost layer is tunica interna. Tunica externa is made up of connective tissue and collagen fiber, whereas tunica media is made up of unstacked muscles and elastic fiber. Tunica interna is made up of squamous epithelial cells. Now, studying in detail about arteries. Arteries carry blood from heart to far off places. That is, they carry oxygenated blood. However, pulmonary artery is an exception which carries deoxygenated blood. Tunica media in artery is thick as compared to veins. This makes the diameter reduced. In arteries, valves are absent, but exception, that is systemic aorta, which carries the blood to body part, and pulmonary artery, which carry the impure blood to lungs, have valves, that is semilunar valves. Its fine branches are known as arterioles. Next blood vessel, capillaries. These are the thinnest blood vessel having the length of 0.3 mm and diameter from 4 to 10 micrometer. Its wall is made up of endothelium. These walls are permeable for various substances like water, solute, sugar, etc. Since they are very thin, so the speed of blood flow is very slow. They play an important role in exchange of different substances between the blood and the body cell. The next blood vessel is veins. Veins carries the blood from body parts to heart. They carry deoxygenated blood. From capillaries, the blood comes to venules. Venules are in veins and their wall is made up of collagen fiber. From these venules, the blood comes to veins. In veins, tunica media, that is middle layer, is thin. The important difference from arteries and veins is that veins have valves at different places which check the flow of blood to flow in opposite direction. The blood flows in veins with low speed and slow pressure. However, exception is there. Vein generally carries impure blood, but pulmonary vein is an exception which carries pure blood to heart. So, the flow of blood from heart is by arteries to arterioles, capillaries, then venules, then veins.